Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by.
Hi family, guys, see. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. I'm so lazy this time around. That's the reason why I was not able to upload anything since then. Okay guys, there's something I really want to show you guys. The one is really, it has been long that I've washed clothes because of my washing machine have problems. So I just discovered this place. I said let me share it with you guys, where to wash your clothes yourself and how to. It is called laundry self-service laundry. Lavada, meaning self-service laundry. So this place is a place that they have Wi-Fi. You will just relax and wash your clothes. Okay guys, let me just take you along. Let me show you where how to wash your clothes. I'm going to press it and we are in. So guys, we are inside the place and these are the machines here. Sorry for the noise on the background. We are washing clothes. So you see there's heater or air conditions, and these are the machines. They have different sizes of the machine. Like this one now, this one is 18 kg. You can wash it for 12 euro or 11 euro. While the other one is 15 kg, you can wash it for 8 euro or 7. The other one is 15 kg. So it's of different size and different prices. So this is the other one. The lesser money is 8 kg. You can wash it with 5 euro or 4 euro. And this is where we are washing our hours now. This is 8 kg, which is 5 euro. As other one. And how are you going to post? Yeah, now there is nobody, there's no worker here, as you can see. No one to attend to you, so you are going to do it yourself. That is called self-service. So this is the machine. As you can see, this is the machine that you are going to use. They will ask you to press it, and this is in Italy, so you are going to want to turn it to English so that you can understand. Just press this place and it will open the English. You see that they said I want to wash, I want to dry, I want to buy a card, I want to load, you understand. So you just press only this, I want to wash. So it's going to come out, different number is going to come, as you can see. So this place now, this is the place we are washing our hours now, which is number 4. If it is number 5, you will just come here. You have put your clothes inside. It's just only for you to press the number in which you want the agent, the machine that you want to use. Just press the number 5, number 2, number 3. Then they will ask you to put money inside place. This is where you put your money. You see it? Put your money inside, then the machine will just start washing automatically. It will just start washing, as you can see. When you are through and you still want to dry the clothes, this is other machines to dry, and it's of different kg also, as you can see. So it's just the same thing, the same processes. If you want to go back, you will just still go back. Then you say you want to dry. I want to dry. Just for you to press this, I want to dry. You understand? Then still also press the numbers. It have different numbers. This is number 7, number 6, 9, 8, 13, 14. It's just only for you to press the same number that you want to dry. Press it. Put your money. To dry is just 1 euro 50 cents. You can see the money here for 10 minutes. You can see it here. Let me show you something that really makes you laugh. Can you imagine? Now this is for humans. Now they don't have animal. This is the animal area. These gay people are really funny, guys. This is animal area. This is where you wash for animal. Animals still have clothes. I don't know. I will leave the question for you to answer. This is for the animals. Animals, they will just put their clothes here. You can see they will wash it, and also they will dry it. Only this machine is for the animal, for washing and for drying. The most interesting thing is that there is a relaxing place for you to relax with your Wi-Fi. Just relax and every other thing. Then when you are through, is for you to, this is the table to just arrange the clothes there, spread it, just arrange it where you want to arrange it, then take it down to your house. You understand? Wow, this place is really beautiful and really wonderful. So I just let me just do a short video on it, because most of us, maybe in your city, you don't know that this kind of place is existing. We used to go and wash blankets You understand? You all those Dove big one, you go and wash it like 40 euro, 50 euro. It's really much, but yeah, it's just little money. Just put it inside there, and the money is really small. So I'm doing this video in case maybe many people, they don't really know where the this kind of self-service is in their own area. You can Google it and check where there's self-service, so that you can go and start washing your clothes and everything. So guys, this is a short video that I said that let me just share with you guys. For those of you that are coming asking me what's happening and calling me, please guys, I'm really passing through a lot. So that's the reason why I say let me just forget about YouTube for now. So when I'm okay, when I'm really okay, then I can come back to my YouTube again. So I said let me just share this little video with you. You can see there's no makeup, nothing. Oh my God. Okay, this is the way that I said people should be doing it. I have to do it. This is, I want to dry now. We want to dry our clothes. Okay, which number? There's no number here. Number 7. No, which number is here now? 7. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Proceed with payment. Cash, price with card, available card. Okay. Okay. Start, set up, select machine. Would you like to confirm? Minutes. You can see now the machine have started washing. It wants to dry. We have already washed it, so this is time for the machine to dry now. You can see. Wow, this is really good. No stress, nothing. You can pay with cash, you can pay with card, anyone. They will even give you receipt. Stop it, let me see the receipt. This is the receipt. This is wonderful. Wow. In my next video. Ciao, bye.
Silhouette, I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to